Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is another day that we're going to do the 100 envelope saving challenge towards my family 20,000, which is getting fun and fun. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Keep watching. Hi, hello, how is everybody doing? Your girl is here. It's been like a very funny week, kind of funny week. But today I'm here to show you guys how we're going with the 100 envelope savings challenge for the family. We are saving towards 20,000 and there's a lot of stuff coming in my family. We're trying to save a lot of money for other stuff. I'm trying to pay off my student loan. So I've decided I'm going to take it slow in my 100 envelope savings challenge. And I also want to share something with you guys. So let's count the money. I want you guys' opinion about something. So let's count the money first. I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm doing very well by God's grace. Yes, I'm doing very well. I wouldn't take it for granted at all for being alive and breathing and all the stuff that is coming. It's never working, but I know God get my back. So let's count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's another 90, so 180. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 186. So 186 that we're going to put in the envelope savings challenge. I still going to do my husband's zone to catch up with where I am right now, because I'm in my 50s, but he's still in the 40s. Then I'll do the keto zone. So let's start with the keto zone while I talk about some of the changes that is coming on my channel here. If you are new here, for my kids binder for the 100 envelope, I only do $10 in each slot. That's all I can afford, and that's what I'm doing. You can do this challenge anyhow, and you guys know how passionate I am when it comes to 100 envelope savings challenge. You can do it any different way. You don't have to do it in the old way, the new way. Any way you think, any money that you think you can put in this slot, go ahead and do that. At the end of everything fill up, take the money out, count it, and see how much you have in there. You never know. I'm telling you, you never know. So this one, each of them is $10 in this slot. And I'm in my 70s right now for the kids. I can't wait to get it done. Then we will count it. So today I'm just doing 2 slots. And from you guys' information, I finally received the sample for my 100 envelope savings challenge that I've been working on for quite some time now. And I don't know whether I should switch one of the binders into that sample to show you guys, because I'm waiting. Immediately I saw the sample, I knew I was going to order for more. I have something like a pop shop coming up in the first week of August. My church is organized something and I want to go showcase all the stuff that I buy. So I did order it immediately when the sample came to go show it there. But I really wanted to show you guys, but I wanted you guys' opinion. Do you guys think I should transfer one of the challenge into the sample, or I should continue to use this one? I'm torn between whether I should finish this with all the ones I'm doing, or I should just transfer into the sample. The samples are also 100 envelope savings challenge and 52-week savings challenge, but they are different. This one is my own design. It's still in the market. It looks just like this, but the numbers are different. The binders that I'm using is lighter. and that one you can easily close it. This one, when it's really full, it's hard to close, but that one is the PV one, so you can easily close it any amount that you put in. I also have my own design when it comes to the trackers. I added more trackers to it, as you guys all know that I have different way of doing mine, because I know there are so many ways you can use this 100 envelope savings challenge, so many ways. So I'm only doing 2 for the kiddos one today. So please leave in the comment what you think, where I should switch to the sample for you guys to see, or I should just finish this before. But I really want to launch it next month. Next month, when I have a couple in for the pop shop, then I will launch it on the channel here to see what is. As you guys know, it's gonna be affordable, the same thing that you have seen, but very, very affordable. So this one is for kiddos. I will leave that one on the side. Then I'll finish my husband's son. My husband's son, I'm only, oh, lest I forget, I have to record the $10 I put in here before I forgot that I did. Let's see. So I did put $10. 10, 20. Okay, so that's that one. Like I said, my one will have one of these laminated so that you can use it multiple times. It will have a different trackers with different ways you can do. About 3 ways you can do the 100 envelope savings challenge. So kind of like different a little bit. So like, let me know in the comment. Really let me know, because I want you guys' opinion whether I should switch it or I should just finish these and use that one. Let me know. So for my husband's, you guys know we are doubling the number. I think I'm all ready for my binder. I'm in 53. So we still have a lot to catch up with my husband. But for today, I'm doing only 41 and 42. And you guys know we are doubling the numbers. So 41 is going to be 82. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But let me do it this way. I don't want to put the 10s in only that one. So I'll take 30 from here. Put it. Let's see, this 31, 2, 3. Yeah. So let's count it again to see whether we have 82. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 82. And I'm just hoping that the shipments that I ordered, I will get them before the pop one. That would be so great, so that I can go show people in the pop market to tell them what I'm doing. Then the next one is a 42, which is 84. So let's count this to make sure we have 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 84. Yeah, so today I'm doing only 2. I kind of realized that I'm not going to rush in it. Like I said, my family has a lot of stuff coming up, which definitely I will tell you guys when it coming live. That's what I'll say. Okay, so today I did only 2 for my husband. We still have a lot to catch up. But look at that. I'm loving these. I can't wait to get it done. My goal was to get it done in October. That I don't think I'll get it done in October. So let's go ahead. because we're doing everything possible to pay down my student loan. So we're gonna maybe slow down with the savings challenges to get that one going, and also the style that we are doing. So okay, so here we go. It's not beautiful. Okay, so thanks for watching me today. Super excited to be here. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.